Welcome. This is a beginner's yoga flow for hip flexibility. For this class, you may want to have 2 blocks on hand along with a few pillows. If you don't have those, be sure to look in the description below for alternatives. There's also a link down below that you can check out for a grippy yoga mat along with my preferred blocks for practice. Go ahead and grab your props and we will meet back here on the mat. Let's begin in tabletop pose, wrists under shoulders, knees under hips. Inhale, dropping the belly, gaze up for cow pose. Exhale, rounding through the spine, gaze down for cat. Continue syncing breath with movement. Option to tuck the toes here as we round through the spine, exhaling, drawing the hips towards your heels. Take your time, slow your breath. Inhale, come all the way back up. Continue moving with the breath. Option to use your blocks, place them at shoulder distance underneath the hands, making sure they are sturdy. Sending the hips up for down dog. Bending the knees, moving wherever the body takes you today, so really just sinking into the pose, getting familiar with your down dog, and pressing the mat away from your hands. Let the head be heavy. On an inhale, stepping to the top of the mat, place the blocks at the highest setting, hands to the blocks, inhale for half lift. Option to come a little higher if that feels best, you can come as high as you need. Exhale, bending the knees, fold. Inhale the standing, hands reach up overhead. Exhale, heart center. Inhale, hands up overhead. Exhale, fold. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, step the right foot back. Embrace the wiggles here. Reach the hands up overhead, high lunge. Option to take the hands to heart center. Inhale, opening up towards your right, warrior 2. Right toes are pointed towards the right side of the mat. Shoulders are over the hips. almost like you're between two walls here. And keeping both heels in line with each other, almost like you're standing on one line. We'll go ahead and straighten the left leg. Inhale, reaching the left hand forward, right hip back. As you exhale, take the left hand to your thigh, shin, or block. Right hand reaches up. If it's available today, go ahead and take a bind, completely optional. And we'll inhale back to warrior two. Exhale, sink low. Inhale, take your time transitioning to high lunge. Plant your hands as you exhale. Inhale, stepping to the top of the mat, half lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale to standing, hands reach up overhead. Exhale, heart center. Inhale, hands reach up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, stepping the left foot back this time. Take your time here, reaching the hands up overhead for high lunge. Embracing the wiggles and shakes. It's okay. And we'll inhale, opening up towards your left. Left toes pointed towards the left side of the mat. Once again, heels are on one line here. Tucking the tailbone, lifting the sternum. Inhale, right leg straightens. Right hand reaches forward. Exhale, resting that hand on the thigh, shin, or block. Left hand reaches up. Option to take a bind if it's available. And we'll release. Inhale, warrior two. Exhale, sink nice and low. Take a moment here, embrace the wiggles and shakes as you transition to high lunge. We'll plant the hands on the blocks, exhale. Inhale, step to the top of the mat, half lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale to standing. Exhale, hands to heart center. Release the hands, take the feet wide, and begin to sway the arms side to side. Gentle bend in the knees as you twist. Really get into it, so really be silly here. Release. Come to laying on your back. Back stays flat on the mat as you drop the knees towards your left. Option to place the pillows under the knees for added height. Observing the body and breath, using your inhales to create space, exhales to completely let go. Inhale, release, switching sides. And we'll release. Give the knees a big hug here. Taking the feet to the bottom of the mat, hands to your sides, palms facing up. Taking this short moment out of your day, out of your practice, this one moment to just be. Acknowledging the body and being present here with the body and breath. Observe and be here now. We'll gently begin to wake up the body, wiggling the fingers and toes, rocking the head, maybe bending the knees. Rolling over towards your right. Full inhale. And exhale. Gently come to seated. Inhale, hands up overhead. Exhale, heart center. Thank you for joining. Namaste. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it below, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates on future videos and live streams.